In this episode, I'm going to show you some of the recent WhatsApp biggest updates. If you are a WhatsApp user, you don't want to miss these top 5 crazy features to look out for in WhatsApp. On your phone, locate your Play Store if you're an Android user. If you are an iPhone user, locate the App Store and make sure that your WhatsApp is up to date. After that, proceed to open. In our WhatsApp chat, you will notice that anytime you are online, it will indicate to the other party that you are online. And recently, WhatsApp has updated its privacy policy so that your recipient will not be able to see whether you are online or not. And to do that, all you gotta do is to go back and locate these 3 top ellipses on the right corner, then proceed to settings, then locate account, then proceed to privacy. From there, proceed to last seen and online and click them. In here, you can see we have 2 options. The first one is who can see my last seen, and the second part is who can see when I'm online. So you have various flexibility in the option that you want to pick. You can proceed to nobody if you don't want anyone to see your last seen, and you can then proceed on this to take on same as last seen. So under who can see my last seen, you have picked nobody, and under who can see when I'm online, you have chosen same as last seen. So nobody will also see when you are online. The second biggest update is when you are watching your contact status. So once you visit someone's status and you want to react to it, when you click on reply, immediately you have these reactions emojis that you can quickly send to the person in your reaction. First, it wasn't the case. You have to click on these emojis to go and select the type of emoji that you want to use to send to this recipient. And one of the top most other feature that you might think of considering is now WhatsApp has given us the ability to send a link to our contacts to give us a call instead of sending our actual phone number. So when you navigate to the calls, you proceed to the create call link. In here, you can proceed to call type. So if it's a voice call, you can generate the link for it. And if it's a video call, you can generate a link for it. From there, you can proceed to send link via WhatsApp. All your WhatsApp contacts will appear here. So you can proceed to send the actual contacts that you want to send the link to give you a call. And you can then also copy the link and then send it directly to the individual that you want to use. Or you can share this link to the external apps. So you can share it on your newsfeed, on Facebook, on your group, on your Telegram, and any other external apps that you have. Another topmost feature is when you are uploading your status. Now you can add a link to the description that you want to send. So you can easily click on the status icon and proceed the video that you want to send to. From there, you can navigate to the external app that you want to copy the link. So in my case, it's Telegram. Just copy the link here. I'll proceed to my WhatsApp, and in the description, paste it here, and bam, now I can upload. So when I update this link will automatically direct anyone who is viewing my video directly to my content that I want to promote. And this feature is good for any affiliate marketers or those who want to promote their products on WhatsApp. If you are aware of any updates that I have not covered in this video, you can share it in the comment section. I'll be glad to read through. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.